Hey YouTube, welcome back to Stone Hill. It is a beautiful sunny March day, 2020. So as you know, we're in the middle, well not the middle, for us I guess it's the beginning of the whole COVID-19 ordeal. And life up here at Stone Hill is about the same, other than not getting to have our friends and family out, you know. Life here goes on about as usual, projects and working on things and hiking, and life out on the big stone hills about the same. So we're gonna do some projects today. We're gonna clear out some trees from our powerline trail. We're gonna clear some of the brush away from our hayfield that's encroaching on the hayfield, and we're going to make a big bonfire with all the sticks and all the scrap, and hopefully burn a nice good spot for a garden that we're going to start this spring. So
I gotta see if I can get this thing started. Last time I tried it, the battery was dead. I had to recharge it with the trickle charger, but we'll see if it fires up now. Last year, about this time, I cleared with the brush mower a long patch all the way down underneath like the power lines. And for whatever reason, I got it all cleared out except for 2 trees, which I left, and they're kind of like right in the middle of the path. So I just want to knock those down, get them out of the way. The one is like almost completely dead. The other is basically an overgrown, shrub bush type thing that really is more of a weed. So anyways, we're going to knock those down before kind of continuing on and clearing some more brush along the side of our property. So
alright, I think we kept those because I thought they were apple trees.
One used to be, it died.
He was giving them a chance to see if maybe they'd grow some fruit, so I asked him to leave them. So I'll show you what we did down here. We use this for an ATV trail and for hiking, and just so we can get our power back as quick as possible.
got one more.
There's the bush. Brush mower. Just takes the little stuff right down. This is what we cleared the last 2 summers. Summer and a half we had. So we have cleared brush in spring, summer, winter, and fall. And I have to say that clearing brush in the spring is the absolute best. Someone's practicing some shooting. Hear him in the distance. Somewhere over there. Doing a little target practice. So this is where we're going to have our garden, in this corner here. Kind of see the stones behind it and this pretty view. So we're going to put all the brush right here and have a giant brush fire. Kill all the grass underneath. All right, let's take a look. So we have a DR brush mower, and it takes out some pretty decent diameter sticks and trunks. Look at that. What is that? It's got to be 1.5 inches. Maybe 1 inch, 1.5 inches. Just cuts it right down. And you can see right down the line, he's pushing it back. We're back a good 3 feet at least from where we were.
We all just got done chopping down a bunch of brush trees and mowing down as much of the brush that I could. We piled it into a giant pile. gotta burn it down.
Big before in my life, so it's really cool.
All right, so yesterday we had a chance to do a bunch more clearing on our side yard, just so that it could open up, you know, some of the view that you might be able to see behind me. We had all this part here cleared from the corner all the way to about probably right about here, and then yesterday we cleared from here, I don't know if you can see, from here down to just beyond those rocks down there. So that obviously created a large pile of brush that we got to get rid of, and that's what we're trying to do before all the rain starts later this week.
All right, well, that's it for today on Stone Hill. Thanks for stopping by, seeing what we're doing here on a Sunday. We're just gonna let this burn down and do what it's gonna do. And that's it for today. See you next time. it.